Hey, what's going on out here? Oh, snap. Got some water balloons. Okay, Jaylene, I see you.
Would you like to get some grass all over your body?
Whoa. Okay, Jaylene, I see you doing your thing. Let's see what you got, Jotty. Hey, let's go. Dang, boy. Oh, so you think you're nice, huh? You think you're nice, huh?
No, I think I'm nice
What
with the
the-
ice.
Nice with the ice. By the way, I got my bro Daniel here, man. He's visiting us.
What's up?
You know what I'm saying? He's over here looking all buff and stuff. Dun-na. Dun-na. Oh! I missed.
Who did that?
Not me.
Daddy, stop.
It wasn't me. You're gonna be the first person I hit with the balloon. Watch.
They can't even pop when you hit someone with it.
I just popped one.
Yeah, 'cause you hit the grass.
Right. Yeah, man, I hope everybody's doing good though. You know, I haven't been posting a lot of videos lately, so you know, just trying to get back into that mode of just posting and just, you know, just make memories with the family for real, cuz you know, it's not all the time that I have Jotty and my brother here, so you know, just trying to enjoy my time with them as much as I can. Jotty was here for a few months, you know, he was here for like 2 months chilling with me.
I'm gonna be going in 2 days, so.
Yeah, he's gonna.
make these.
Yeah, so he's gonna be leaving in a couple of days. So, you know, I'm a little sad about that, but it's cool. You know, like I said, we're just gonna keep it going. You know, try to come up with some ideas for you guys and enjoy the moment while we're here, man. So, give this video a huge thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button, baby, and let's keep this journey going, baby. Let's get it.
It's gonna be 2 teams. Who's gonna be on my team?
Me.
Okay, me and Jaylene, and Alex and Jadiel. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna start over here with the slip and slide. The first 2 people are gonna go. They'll do rock paper scissors it. They'll go through the slide, and then the first person to break their balloon. There's gonna be a balloon here. They'll run back to their teammate, tag their teammate. The first one to pop their 2 balloons wins.
Oh, so we have to wait for them to
whoever
slide.
wins the rock paper scissors has a slight advantage.
Okay.
Alright, Alex.
Okay.
Do you want to go first or you will let me?
All right, you go first, bro. You go first, all right? Jaylene, are you ready?
Yeah.
You ready, right? Whoa.
Sorry.
All right, so you're not on my team, so you know what that means, right?
What?
You're gonna lose.
I'm not gonna lose, and Daddy's gonna help me.
Yeah, but I'm gonna beat your daddy, so.
No, I.
It's game over for you,
No,
bucko.
My daddy's gonna beat you.
And your whole career.
My daddy's strong. She can do it.
No, you come to him.
Bro, these mosquitoes do not play, bruh.
They're like.
I'm trying to tell you.
Guys, can I tell you something? When somebody wins, who gets the prize of that sword?
Oh, there's my sword.
The sword? I don't want that sword.
Oh, rock your socks.
That's what's already broken.
What the? The loser has to be tortured with something. Like, we get to throw water balloons at them, like, while they stand
No, I
still.
gotta get some more water balloons then, because those ones are like, they're kind of trash. Like, if you don't throw them hard enough, they won't.
The losers, y'all get to hit them with the water balloon. 2
Like-
water balloons as hard as you can.
Yeah.
But like, what if they don't pop? That's the thing.
Then you gotta be stronger. You need muscles like your dad, boy.
Talking about these freaking mashed potatoes.
Well, you got spaghetti strong, so there you go.
You know what?
Tastes better.
Actually, I like that. We got team muscles here versus
Whatever this means.
team skinny,
Yeah.
Team skeleton.
team pretty boy. All right, Jaylene, let's hear it. Let's hear some songs. Let's go.
Alright, if you guys lose, you gotta hear her sing.
What the?
Oh my god.
Oh. All right, go. Ready?
Feet.
Everybody, clap your hands.
What you gonna do? What you gonna do? What you gonna do?
Anything but that.
Make feet.
Oh my god.
Everybody freeze. And everybody
Yo, you ready?
Yeah.
All right, you ready? Are you ready? All right, you ready, Dan?
Yo,
All right, come on. I gotta do what?
Don't walk like a chill dude. Chillin'.
I didn't know you were chill like that, bro. I didn't know you were chill like that.
So rock, paper, scissors, and then on shoot, you're either gonna go with rock, paper, or scissors, okay? Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Okay, so you would have beat me. No, you had through the rock. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
I choose shoot.
You can't cheat.
You can't cheat. If you threw it, once you hit your hand, whatever you have on there, that's it. Okay, you ready? Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Oh, you cheat.
You're cheating. You gotta throw it.
Okay, that's how I win.
No, you
No.
win depending on whatever he throws.
You and me now, Alex. You
What?
and me now. We gotta do rock, paper, scissors.
Ready? Rock,
Rock,
paper,
paper,
scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. What the? Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. What the? Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. What? Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. No way, bruh. You copying me, bruh. Come on. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. You copying, bruh. I'm done with you. All right, rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
I win!
Wow.
Rock. You gotta do it when I say shoot. You either scissors, rock, paper,
Daddy, can I do
scissors,
scissors?
shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. All right, go. I won.
Oh,
Go,
what
go,
the
go, go. Slide.
actual?
You gonna spin around or what?
Pop the balloon. Oh, you're not recording?
Damn, my bad, bro. I got too much going on.
Pop it, pop it, pop it. Hurry, hard, hard.
I popped mine.
Stop the cap.
You have to do it again to go off the chair.
Hey, oh yeah, you gotta sit down and pop it.
I can't.
Hard, yeah you can. Let's go. You got it.
Popped mine. Oh.
Hard, 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 hard.
Yes, yes. I'm gonna step on
Ah!
I
Here,
can't.
All right, let's pop. Hurry, hurry, hurry.
We gotta do rock, paper.
No, no, no. No.
This kid is.
No, no. Watch out, Jaylene. It's not you.
This kid is absolutely trash.
Ah!
You popped it?
Damn, bro, it's blessed in 6 feet.
I'm throwing the.
What the heck is wrong with you, dude?
You cheated. You're losing.
No, you're a sore loser. What are you talking about?
Hey, no, it's okay. Sometimes you win, sometimes you lose. It's okay. Stop. Sometimes you win, sometimes
It's
you lose.
okay. We're gonna play
We're
again.
gonna play another one.
No, I want you to win it too.
Okay.
It's
It's
okay,
okay.
Jaylene. You're gonna win.
You
Watch.
were having trouble popping yours. It's okay.
Let's play again. Come on.
Rock,
Paper, scissors, shoot.
Beat you. Go, go, go.
1, 2, 3.
Grab a balloon, stinker. Grab a
Go, 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 go.
balloon. Grab one. Squeeze it while you're sitting on it.
That's cheating. You cheated.
Nah, that's what he's doing. Let's go, run back.
Ah.
Go,
Yeah.
go, go.
Yeah.
Come on, Alex. Come on.
What the heck? It's not popping this time.
Yo, we won.
Ah! That's tough, my boy.
You are mean.
That's so
You are
fun.
cheating. You're making us lose.
We won, stinker. We won.
Really,
What's wrong
Jaylene?
with you?
Really, Jaylene?
We won.
These kids are absolutely garbage.
I don't like you. You're not playing with us.
You're just mad that you're losing.
No, you are losing.
I won one, you won one, so loser. Last round. And you know what?
Yo, I busted my ass over.
Bro, I did too, for real.
Yeah.
I did too.
I'm too old for this.
I seen that, bro. Hey, man, I hope you guys are enjoying these kind of videos. Basically making memories for the family, you know? That's basically what it's all about, so, you know? And my boy over here cheating. Why you cheating, bro? Why you cheating, bro?
50% of the cut.
50% cut?
I'll give you 50% of the cut.
For
Keep
what?
your mouth quiet about this.
Did you brush your teeth this morning? Go brush your teeth right now. His teeth were straight buttery, man.
I brushed my own teeth.
You brush your teeth today?
Yeah.
Okay, Jaylene. Alright, so for this next challenge, we're going to be doing another relay race. But this time, we're going to be doing it with spoons in our mouth. I'm sure you guys seen this before, probably with like an egg or something. But this time, we're going to be using the water balloons and balancing them on the spoon. And we're going to race. Race to see who can win. And still the same team. My brother versus
No, that's not your brother.
Jaylene. And me and Jody versus them. So, let's see who's the winner is, baby. Let's go.
Yeah, we're gonna get 2 points where we win.
No, you're not.
Yes, we.
I bet you I beat you.
No, what? No, Daddy's gonna beat you.
Alright, we're gonna see about that, man. I hope y'all are enjoying this little vlog, man. Give it a big old thumbs up. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button, baby.
Forget about that.
What?
Oh.
Hit that like and subscribe button,
You
baby.
distraction.
I love you guys, man. Let's get to it.
3, 2, 1. Oh, you're a cheater.
Yes.
Go, Daddy, go. Go, Daddy, go. God, go. Let's go, baby. We lit. I don't know what they doing over there. My boy Jody over here doing his thing, boy. Okay, Jaylene, I see you. You touched the garage?
Alright, and then go all the way back. Oh!
Woo! Hey, it didn't pop. That's what's up. Go, Jaylene, go. Go. Oh. Take your time. Go slow, okay? Take your time, Jaylene. You got it. You got it, Jaylene. You got it. You got it, Jaylene. Come on. Oh.
It's okay. You did so good.
I did it.
Hey, good job, Jaylene. Good job. What the?
You did good, stinker.
Good job.
I did it.
Hey, look.
Good job, Jay.
Where's
What
Muffus?
the?
Trying to pound you. Look, right here.
Where's Muffus? Where's Muffus?
Hey, let's go. That's what I'm talking
I'm
about.
the one who won.
But we can do it.
Ah!
Alright,
Alright, let me try.
Don't
Come on,
pop it.
Alex. Yo. Yeah.
How many balloons we got?
Like
We have 2.
3 left.
Come track. There's 2 of them.
Woo! You got lucky, boy.
Oh yeah, so
You guys thought I forgot? Losers get to get tortured by these water balloons, boy.
yes, sir.
Go ahead and line up on that garage. And let's get to it. Alright. Alright, Jody, you throw the first shot. Your first shot. What the hell? How'd you miss?
No, you can't grab him.
Ah! Ah! Whoa, it didn't even pop. Oh! That sucked.
Oh well.
That was the worst throw ever.